Hello and welcome to the sixth lesson of the professional advertising course. This is the design that we will be working on today. So let's begin. First, we will set the background. I have chosen this pic right here. I add it to the Photoshop. I add it to the design page. I adjust its size and position. Now I'll add this picture right here. I add it to the Photoshop. I add it to the design page. I adjust it like this. Now I will choose the eraser tool. I chose this one here on the top left because there is many of them, but make sure to choose this one. I erase in here like this. Like this. Now I go here to image adjustments, to levels. Now the goal here is to make these two images look like one image. Now I'll make sure that the color is the same. I go here to adjustment, saturation. Now this is the background that we are going to use. Now for sure you can choose whatever image you like as the background. Now I will add the phone image. Again, you can choose whatever phone you like. An iPhone, a Samsung, a OnePlus maybe. It's all up to you. Now I need to crop the inside of the phone. I go to this tool right here. Now as you see there's three tools, but my favorite is the second one, the middle one. But for you, you can choose whatever tool you like. Now I select this edges right here, like this. Then I press delete on my keyboard, like this. Now I will add the tiger image. Now this is the tiger image, but I already cropped the tiger. I already explained the way to crop images. I add it to the Photoshop. I add it to the design page. Now I adjust it like this. Good. Now I chose this tool to to cut the back of the tiger. Delete on my keyboard like this, and it's gone. Now you see how the image looks like. Now I'll make some adjustments on the tiger. Now I'll add the kid image. And as you see, it's already cropped. Now I add it to the design page. Now I adjust its size and its position. Now that's good. And this is the final look of our design. This ad is for the gear that the kid is wearing. Of course, you can make an ad to whatever product you want. Thank you for watching, and I will be meeting you in the next lesson.